You know, remember when mommy had to fly out for about 2 days and you did in charge of breakfast for me? You know, remember how that did go?
Yes, I remember most, but that's something I don't really want to remember. But thanks to you now, I'm going to remember forever. God.
You made me toast with scrambled eggs. Uncle Carlton, the amount of eggshell me eat that day there.
Marcus.
I can't wait. What can I do, Mr. Badman? Mouse, you think of the white stew peas when we did make you refer to, you know? me never know say it tastes so bad, man. Sorry, man. Hush. These are mouse. Make you never tell me, man. No, me feel so bad.
Me never want to feel no way. It was an effort and I appreciated it.
Me think say I might want to load the eggshell that they did now. That's why I have to leave all of the cooking to your mother, you know.
Trust me, I paid dearly for that sacrifice.
What happened? You mean you mash up our belly?
Uncle.
What? You know shit?
Carlton, we are eat, brother.
Yo, hold on. Let's bless the food.
That's almost.
Almighty God, you see and know all things. And since you see and know all things, amen. Let's eat. Amen.
Amen.
Not too much starch. That's fine.
Oh, but human grain, like.
It's alright, don't worry. Eat the greens. And then your protein.
You don't have any wing. I don't like the brace.
Say now, give me another food.
You don't have hand, brother. Help yourself. You have a fan?
Give me it. Brother, you don't know what the color low?
More in that pot.
I like this.
Don't worry.
What do you like about this mouse?
All three of us sitting here. Mom would be really proud of us.
Yeah. She would. That was one of her aim before she died.
Alright, okay guys. Let's not make this a very heavy moment. We just started having a meal, but you know, let's just enjoy the meal. And
Yeah, my sauce is bad, ain't it?
we don't have nothing in the glass yet, but cheers to Michelle. You know, great memory.
Oh, the juice. Hold on. I'm going to do
Juice, man.
I'm a real chef, uncle. Kind of sharing
Me tell you
this.
same, me tell you same can't. Me tell you can't.
You wouldn't know better.
Me tell you same can't put mouse. Me tell you already. Cheers to Michelle.
Cheers. Daddy, you okay?
Yeah, mouse. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Food shot, man. Nice.
Yeah, man, food bad.
Bad man, no.
Yeah. Uncle.
Uncle,
What?
you can't do that around the table.
Enough to clean up my teeth.
Step to the bathroom.